Hey there, I'm Vinny Arnisi, and I'm here to show you how to install a two-piece American Standard toilet. But first I want to go over what's in the box and the tools you're going to need to accomplish this. Quick recommendation, check your supply line. If it looks old and worn out, just get a new one, you're going to need it. So the hardest part about installing an American Standard toilet is taking off the old one. The first step is so crucial. You need to shut off the water supply. You don't believe me? Check out this rookie. See, a rookie mistake, but an important one to remember. Always start by shutting off the water supply and then emptying out the tank and toilet of all of the water. And by doing that, you want to hold down that trip lever, give it a full flush, empty out the whole tank so you're ready to uninstall this bad boy. Let's take this one out. Before we start our install, there's two main things you're going to have to do here. The first thing, plug up that hole with a rag or an old newspaper because you don't want your T-bolts or anything else falling down the drain. You want to keep that hole plugged because of the sewage gas that comes up. You don't believe me? Take a whiff. Whew! That'll wake you up. So we're going to remove the T-bolts and then we're going to take out any excess of the wax ring that's there because we're going to put in a new one. Just slide that right around, and that pops right on out. Make sure we keep that plugged up. There you have it for uninstalling a toilet. If you made it this far, give yourself a nice pat on the back. You deserve it. Now let's install that brand spanking new American Standard toilet. Okay, let's start by inserting the easy install T-bolts. What we're going to want to do is add a little bit of extra guidance here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take two pieces of blue tape as a witness mark, one on the right side, one on the left side. So when you're aligning this on your own, if you have to put this bowl down on your own, you have a nice witness mark that's going to keep you right in guidance. Okay, the next step here is crucial. We're going to take our wax ring that was in the box, and what we're going to want to do is put that right on the outlet. Give it a nice press firm. A little bit of loving will do it. And you don't have to go crazy with this because once you tighten the bowl down to the flange, it's going to compress. After that, we're ready to install our new bowl. Okay, so before dropping that bowl in, let's take that plug out because you don't want to keep that in. That could be a problem. And then we're going to use our witness marks to just drop that right in. Nice and easy, give it a little press. Okay, let's take these easy install nylon nuts and tighten these bad boys down. But we don't want to over tighten these and crack the china because then you got to listen to me explain this all over again. No, nobody wants that. But you don't want to take a wrench to these. You could just hand tighten these and it's going to compress the wax ring and you're going to be good to go. So we're going to take our extra tall caps that are included in the Easy Install Kit. And what's great about this is you don't have to trim, and you just pop that right on top, snaps right in, and it's never going to corrode. Next is installing the tank. And we're going to do that in 3 quick, easy steps. First is taking the gasket, connecting that to the tank. Then we're going to align and insert the tank to the bowl. And then after that, we're going to take our nifty easy install nylon wrench and tighten up those bolts. So once you get the nut on this side, you're going to tighten that up a good amount until you start filling the china. And then you're going to come back and alternate to this side. And you want both to be evenly snug so you get china to china contact. And once you've done that, the nylon wrench should actually pop off. All right, so you're gonna get that nice and snug. I even hear the fastener clicking a little bit there. Okay, and then you're gonna do the other side because you're gonna wanna alternate and make sure that this is tightened down evenly. Okay, so the last step is connecting the supply line. So let's take that, and if you're working in a tight space, you can coil that supply line up a bit. All right, let's put the icing on this cake. Okay, let's install this seat or you'll fall in and never come out the same person. Okay, seat's installed. It's got a nice slow close feature. You'll never ever have to worry about the seat being slammed in your house again. Whew, not even a single bead of sweat. Simply stunning. If you've gotten this far and you've installed this product on your own, give yourself an applause and a pat on the back. You did a good job, champ. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and leave a review on AmericanStandard.com. I have other videos like showers, faucets, and tub installations. Check them out.